So, good morning everyone. So, in the last video, we had a discussion on the topic of the modulus of a complex number. So, modulus of a complex number says that if z is equal to a plus ib, that is equal to a plus ib, that's going to be a complex number. Or the representation of the complex number, that's going to be z is equal to a plus ib, where a is going to be the real part and ib is going to be the imaginary part. So, then the modulus of the complex number expresses as, so the modulus of z is going to be root of a square plus b square. Okay na? Root of a square plus b square. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ? That's going to be non negative real value ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? Non negative real value ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ non negative ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ suppose a is equal to some negative value ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, b is equal to ಸಹ negative value ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ we can easily express this according to the square number. Square number any negative ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? -1 into -1 that's going to be +1. okay, so root of a square plus b square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you will get a non negative real number. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? non negative real number ಏ ಬರ್ತದೆ. okay na? So these things already discussed in the previous video by using the one of the example that is equal to 4 plus 3a. So in this one we are going to discuss about the conjugate of a complex number. okay, conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. So that's going to be one of the topic of the complex number. That's going to be conjugate of a complex number. Okay, suppose ready, let z is equal to a plus ib be a complex number. Be a complex number. Be a complex number. Then the conjugate. Then the conjugate of a complex number. The conjugate of a complex number. Then the conjugate of a complex number denoted by z bar, denoted by z bar. That is z bar is equal to a minus ib. Okay na? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ z is equal to a plus ib ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ be a complex number, then ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the conjugate of a complex number is denoted by z bar. ಅಂದ್ರೆ z bar ಏನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ a complex number. mod z ಏನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? modulus of a complex number ನ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So here the z bar which is going to be denoted for conjugate of a complex number, that's going to be z bar is equal to a plus ib. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ a minus ib ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ if you are getting a minus ib ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it can also express it as a plus minus bi ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? z of a minus of bi ಅಂತ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So that's going to be z bar. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ let me take an example. Z is equal to 4 plus 3a. We are familiar with these things, 4 and 3. So we are getting, so z bar is equal to 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. That's going to be the conjugate of a complex number. Z bar is equal to 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. Okay. So let's pause a bit and write it down. So then the question is, which is related to the modulus of a complex number. So write down the modulus of following. Write down modulus of the following. The first one is I. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದರ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. z is equal to a plus id ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ z ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? so that's going to be root of a square plus b square. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಿದು i ಜಸ್ಟ್ i ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, a ಎಲ್ಲಿ b ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? 0 plus 1 into i ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ರಿ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ರಿ i ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ i can also be written as 0 plus 1 into i. Then modulus of z is equal to it can also be expressed as z ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? so z is equal to root of 0 square plus 1 square, that's going to be equal to root 1. It can also be written as 1. Then modulus of z is equal to 1. Modulus of z is equal to 1. Okay, the second one is 3 plus root of minus 3. Okay, so this is the given equation. 3 plus root of minus 3. so ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು is it in the form of a complex number? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 3 plus root of minus 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ we need to express in the form of a complex number. that's going to be z is equal to 3 plus, ನೋಡಿ, so this root of minus 3 can also be written as root of minus 1 into root 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? root of minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ i, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? so it can be written as i into root 3. Is it in the form of a complex number? Yes, because z is equal to a plus ib is equal to z plus a plus ib. What is the value of a? That's going to be equal to 3. And what is the value of b? That's going to be equal to root 3. ಏನಿದೆ? root 3. so then modulus of z is equal to root of a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 square plus root 3 square. That's going to be equal to what? so that's going to be equal to modulus of z, which is equal to root of 9 square. That's going to be 9 plus root 3 square. That's going to be equal to 3. so root of 12 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ನಾವು. so modulus of z, which is equal to root 12, or it can also be represented as 4 into 3. so that's going to be 2 root 3. so modulus of z can also be expressed in the form of z. modulus of z is which is equal to 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. so then the next question, which is in the form of 1 minus 1 minus 1, second one, that's going to be third one. so minus 1 minus I whole cube, so that's going to be expressed in the form of, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ? -1 minus I whole cube formula ಇದೆ. so in the previous videos we had discussion on the topic of z1 plus z2 whole cube. ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? z1 plus z2 whole cube ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನ z1 plus z2 whole square ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ a minus b whole cube ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? a cube, ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 minus 3i plus 3 plus i ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೈ yourself. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a plus of minus ib whole square ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, a plus b. so what's the value of a? That's going to be -1. what's going to be the b? It's going to be -1. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು a plus b whole cube ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. so ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, you need to solve by yourself. okay, so first we need to convert these things to the z. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ z ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ a ಮತ್ತೆ b ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it should be in the form of z ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು z ಯಾವುದು b ಯಾವುದು ಅಥವಾ a ಯಾವುದು b ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. suppose if you convert these things to the complex number, then the calculation is going to be in a simple way. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? it's going to be equal to -1 ಇದೆ plus 3 ಇದೆ minus 1 plus 3, that's going to be equal to 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ 2. Then minus 3i plus i, it's going to be minus 2i. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ರಿ? So then z is equal to 2 minus 2i. Then modulus of z is equal to root of 2 square plus minus 2 square. 2 square plus minus 2 square, that's going to be equal to 4 plus 4, that's going to be equal to 8, or it can be written as 2 root 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ 2 root ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4, 8 can also be written as 4 into 2. So 4 ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ under the square root ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ it's convert to 2. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ modulus of that which is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, just close the video to ನೋಡಿ now. Okay, so the next problems, write down the conjugate of the following. Write down the conjugate of the following. Write down the conjugate of the following. The following, that's going to be what? First one, 2 plus root of minus 2. Okay, 2 plus root of minus 2. Is it in the form of a standard form of complex number? No. So we need to convert these things to the standard form. That's going to be equal to 2 plus I root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ root of minus 2 can also be expressed in the form of root of minus 1 into root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. root of minus 1 into root 2. So root of minus 1 is nothing but I. So into root 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we need to express the conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate ಅಂದ್ರೆ suppose z is equal to a plus ib ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, then the conjugate which is denoted by z bar, which is expressed in the form of a minus ib. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ z bar ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, where z bar is equal to a minus ib. Okay, so z is equal to 2 plus I root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? So then what is going to be z bar? Z bar is equal to 2 minus I root 2. 2 minus I root 2. That's going to be expression of the conjugate of a complex number. It's going to be z bar is equal to 2 minus I root 2. Okay, the second one is I to the power 3. I to the power 3. So ಏನಿದು I to the power 3? ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರಿದು I ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದು I to the power 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ? So is it in the form of a standard equation of the complex number? Standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? So standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು? No, because standard form ಏನಿದೆ? z is equal to a plus ib ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? I ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So I cube can also be written as I square into I. So that's going to be equal to minus a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Okay, so because the value of I square is going to be minus 1 into I, that's going to be equal to minus I. So where z is equal to 0 minus I ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Is it in the form of standard form of complex number? Yes, because z is equal to a plus of minus I ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು minus 1 ಇದೆ, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು 0 ಇದೆ. Okay, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Then the conjugate of a complex number z bar is equal to 0 plus I, or can also be written as I. Z bar is equal to I or 0 plus I ಅಂತಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Then 3 minus, the next one is third one, 3 minus 4i 3 minus 4i whole square ಇದೆ. Okay na? So we need to express these things in the form of complex number. First we need to express these things in the form of complex number, then we need to find the conjugate of the obtained value. So 3 minus 4i can also be written as 3 minus 4i into 3 minus 4i, that's going to be equal to 3 into 3 minus 4i. So minus 4i into 3 minus 4i. So it can be written as 9 minus 12i minus 12i plus 16i square. So then it's equal to 9 minus 24i. So minus 16. So that's going to be equal to minus 16 plus 9. Minus 16 plus 9, that's going to be equal to minus 7. Okay, minus 7 minus 24i. Minus 7 minus 24i, which is equal to z. Then z bar, the conjugate of complex number, is going to be minus 7 plus 24i. Minus 7 plus 24i. Okay, so in real number change agalla? No, real number ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವುದು z1 plus z2 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, okay, plus 4i whole square. Then so it's going to be minus 2ab minus 2, that's going to be 6. 6 4s are 24 minus 24i ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಬಟ್ so we have expressed it in the form of z1 plus z2 whole square, or z1 plus z2 into z1 plus z2. That's going to be z is equal to minus 7 minus 24i, or then the conjugate of complex number is going to be equal to minus 7 plus 24i. Okay, so just pause the video to note down. So okay, the next one is, so we need to find the multiplicative inverse of the following one here. So find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Complex number. Okay, so here the first one is, so 2 minus 3i. Okay, so we need to find the multiplicative inverse of these things. So the obtained again is going to be, it must be a complex number, because according to the closure property of the complex numbers, so if you add between any two complex number, or if you multiply between any two complex number, the resultant is also going to be a complex number. Okay, so here they have given 2 is equal to 3i, so we can denote these things by z. Z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Then the multiplicative inverse can also be written as 1 divided by z. 1 divided by z ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯಬಹುದು, multiplicative inverse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So by using the properties of the multiplication between the two complex number, we mainly discussed about the multiplicative inverses. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 1 divided by z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, 1 divided by z can also be written as z to the power minus 1. ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, a divided by a plus ib minus b divided by a plus ib. Something we have mainly discussed those things. Okay, here 1 divided by z, this can also be written as 1 divided by 2 minus 3i. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 1 divided 2 minus 3i ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಅಥವಾ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i. So here we need to multiply the things. So 1 into 2 plus 3i, that can be written as 2 plus 3i. So here that in the denominator 2 minus 3i into 2 plus 3i, which is familiar. So it's going to be a plus b into a minus b, that's going to be equal to a square plus b square. Here a is equal to what? A is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So a is equal to 2 ಇದೆ, b is equal to ಏನಿದೆ 3i ಇದೆ. So a square minus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, a square minus b square can be written as 4 minus 9i square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದಾ. So 4 plus 9 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ, because the value of I is equal to -1 into -9 that's going to be plus 9. So 4 plus 9 that's equal to 30. So ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ 2 plus 3i divided by 13 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So already mainly we discussed about the closure property. Closure property ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so if any operation is done between any two complex numbers, then the resultant going to be also a complex number. ಇದು complex number form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, in standard form of complex number ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ standard form ಯಾವುದು, z is equal to a plus ib form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, no. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ you need to convert these things to the standard form. So to convert these things, 2 divided by 30 plus 3 divided by 30 I ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, this is in the form of standard form of complex number as a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 3 by 30. A is equal to 2 by 13, b is equal to 3 by 30. So it is in the form of r is going to be the value of the inverse of a complex number, that is equal to 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Okay. So the next one, the second one, 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i is equal to z. 4 minus 3i is equal to z there. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ inverse of a complex number which is going to be 1 divided by z is the limit 1 divided by 4 minus 3i. So we need to multiply the conjugates in both the numerator as well as the denominator. That's going to be equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. So we need to multiply here 1 into 4 plus 3i. That's going to be 4 plus 3i. So divided by 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i. So that's going to be equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. Then a square minus b square is equal to 4 square minus what? 3i whole square. That's going to be 16 minus 9 into minus 1. That's going to be 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So here we can also written as 4 plus 3i divided by 25. So we can also solve directly. So but to know what's going to be happen between a and b, so we are just solving like this. So here, so we need to mention these things in the form of standard form of complex number. That's going to be 4 divided by 25 plus 3 divided by 25. Okay na, in this standard form ನಾವು express ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Standard form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು a means that's going to be 4 divided by 25 plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 divided by 25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ real part is going to be 4 divided by 25 and the imaginary part is going to be 3 divided by 25. Okay, so just pause the video to note it. Okay, the next one minus I. Okay na, minus I ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, minus I ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ minus I. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ನ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ z is equal to minus I ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ರಿ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 0, imaginary part minus 1. Okay na, so 0 minus I ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 divided by z can also be written as 1 divided by minus I ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ, 1 divided by minus I. So we need to multiply the conjugates here. That's going to be I divided by I. ಬರೀಬೋದಾ, I divided by I ಅಂತ. So multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, 1 into I. So minus I into I ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minus I square. ಹೌದಾ, I square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, so 1 ಇದೆ, sorry I ಇದೆ, so minus 1 ಆಚೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. I square ಅಂದ್ರೆ again it's going to be minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. So I divided by 1 is the limit I only, means the required inverse or the multiplicative inverse of minus I, that's going to be plus I. That's going to be what, plus I. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ. So these things, and another we have another problem, that's going to be root 5 plus 3i. So another problem, z is equal to root 5 plus 3i. root 5 plus 3i. Okay, this is going to be the problem. So we need to find the inverse of these things. So multiplicative inverse of these things. So it can be expressed in the form of 1 divided by z is nothing but 1 divided by root 5 plus 3i. Root 5 plus 3i. So we need to multiply the conjugate of the complex number in the both the numerator as well as the denominator. So that's going to be root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 minus 3i. So we need to multiply here 1 into root 5 minus 3i, that's going to be root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 plus 3i into root 5 minus 3i. So that's going to be equal to, so root 5 आगे बरबोदु minus 3i, so minus 3i divided by, again a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to what? B is equal to 3. Okay, so a square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b. That's going to be equal to root 5 square minus of 3i square. So which is equal to root 5 minus 3i. So 5 because root 5 whole square is nothing but 5 plus 9. So 9 or in so 3 square is going to be 9 and I square is going to be minus 1 into minus 9, that's going to be plus 9. So here it can be expressed in the form of root 5 minus 3i, which is equal to 14, or we can also express it in the form of root 5 by 14 minus 3 divided by 14i. 3 divided by 14i. Okay, is it in the form of standard form of complex number? Yes, because that is equal to a plus ib, which is expressed in the form of a is equal to root 5 by 14 and b is equal to 3 by 14. Okay now, so these things we have come across with to express in the form of a complex number or to find the inverse of a complex number or multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Okay, pause the video to note. So here find the conjugate of find the conjugate of 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus i. 2 minus I. Okay, so is it in the form of standard form of complex number? Here both the standard formula is to find out the conjugate. No. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದರ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ z is equal to 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus i. So that's going to be, so we need to multiply these things. So 3 into 2 plus 3i, okay, minus 2i into 2 plus 3i. So in the denominator we have, so 1 into 2 minus i plus 2i into 2 minus i plus 2i into 2 minus i. That's going to be equal to, so which is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 9i minus 4i, so minus 6i square. So denominator is 2 minus i plus 4i minus 2i square minus 2i square. Okay, so first we need to convert or we need to solve these things. So here, so 6 plus 9i minus 4i, that's going to be 5i. So minus 6 into minus 1, that's going to be plus 6 denominator. So 2 again 4i minus i, that's going to be plus 3i. So plus 2, यानी कि plus 2 minus 2 है, I square is going to be minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, that's going to be plus 2. Okay, here we can write this 6 plus 6, that's going to be 12 plus 5i divided by 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i. So is it in the form of standard form of complex number? Standard form of complex number ಬರ್ತದಾ? ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ನ both ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So obtain in the form of standard form of complex number. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ರೆ the value remains same. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I am going to multiply the things. So where the denominator is going to be a real number. Real number ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So best number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So I am going to multiply the conjugate here. So that's going to be 4 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. So then it's going to be 12 into 4 minus 3i plus 5i into 4 minus 3i. So in the denominator we can directly represent as 4 square, that's going to be 16 plus 9 because 3i into 3i, that's going to be 9 sorry minus 9, again my I into I, that's going to be minus 1 into minus 10, that's going to be the plus. Okay, so 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48 minus 36i plus 20i minus 15i square divided by 25. So then it's going to be 48 plus 15 plus ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so here I square is going to be minus 1 into minus 15, that's going to be plus 15. So plus 15 into plus 15 plus 48, that's going to be 60. Okay, 60, so 50 is 65, that's going to be 63 minus 16i divided by 25. So here z is equal to 63 by 25 minus 16 by 25i. So then z bar, then the required z bar is nothing but the conjugate of the complex number. It's going to be expressed in the form of 63 divided by 25 plus 16 divided by 25i. 16 divided by 25i. Okay, the bar is going to be 63 divided by 25 plus 16 by 25i. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನೋ ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ 25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆ 25 ನಾನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ದ complex number is going to be 63 by 25 minus 16 by 25i, and the conjugate is going to be 63 by 25 plus 16 by divided by 25i. Okay, just pause the video to note. Okay, so the next one is so we need to express these things. So okay, can be expressed as, so evaluate it's going to be I to the power 18 plus 1 divided by I to the power 25 whole to the power 3. So we need to express or we need to solve these things. So here we can also express these things as, so I to the power, ready? I to the power 18 can also be expressed as I to the power 16 into I to the power 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? So plus I to the power minus 25 whole to the power 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದೇನ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ 18 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು 16 plus 2, that's going to be 18. So 1 divided by I to the power 25 I to the power minus 25 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Then so what is the value of I to the power 16? That's going to be 1. So it can be expressed as I square plus I to the power minus 25 whole to the power 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? So I square, so that's going to be equal to minus I to the power 25 whole to the power 3. So then it can be expressed as, what is the value of I to the power 1? I to the power 2, that's going to be minus 1. Then what is the value of I to the power minus 25? Already now discuss ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. I to the power minus 25 can be written as minus I. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? minus I whole to the power 3. So ನೀವು minus I ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. I to the power minus 25, so whole to the power 3. So which is also in the form of a minus b whole to the power 3. So a minus b whole to the power 3 ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So last problem ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ in the corner we have expressed about, so minus 1 minus I to the power 3. So ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. So it's going to be minus 1 minus 3i plus 3 plus I. Okay, so ಈ ರೀತಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that's going to be minus 1, so minus 3i plus 3 plus I. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎವಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? So ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? minus 3 plus 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Okay, so then minus 3i plus I ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minus 2i. So ನೀವು minus ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ can also reduce these things again. It's going to be 2 minus 2i, 2 minus 2i. Okay, so evaluate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ evaluate ಅಲ್ಲಿ I to the power 18 ಇದೆ plus 1 divided by I to the power 25 whole to the power 3. So that's going to be equal to I to the power 16 into I square, because the value of 18 can be expressed as 16 plus 2, that's going to be 18. So it is expressed as I to the power 16 into I square plus I to the power minus 25. So we know the value of I to the power minus 25, that's going to be minus I. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗಳು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ I to the power minus 25. So then I square value minus 1, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 minus I whole to the power 3 ಅಂತ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, so we know the formula a minus b whole cube formula ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so that's going to be equal to minus 1 minus 3i plus 3 plus I. So ನಾವು ಎವಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? minus 1 plus 3, that's going to be 2, minus 3i plus I, that's going to be minus 2i. So it is reduces into 2 minus 2i. Is it in the form of standard form of complex number? Yes, because a plus of minus 2i, where a is equal to and b is equal to minus 2. Okay, just pause the video now. Okay, so I'm going to solve one problem. So to obtain one of the problems here, so find the real numbers. So find the real numbers x and y if x minus iy into 3 plus 5i is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i, minus 6 minus 24i. Okay na? minus 6 minus 24i. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ is going to be equal to the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. So ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so the solution, so x minus iy into 3 plus 5i which is equal to minus 6 minus 24i bar. So is nothing but 3 into x minus iy plus 5i into x minus iy which is equal to minus 6 plus 24i, minus 6 plus 24i. So is not expressed ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 into x and 3x, so minus 3yi plus 5xi, so then minus 5yi square which is equal to minus 6 plus 24i which is equal to 3x plus minus 3yi plus 5xi, so it's going to be plus 5y which is equal to minus 6 plus 24i, so which is equal to, so 3x plus 5y which is equal to minus 6, because equality of the complex number, a real number which is equal to the real number, andre 3x 5y going to be the real numbers, 3x plus 5y which is equal to minus 6, and ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ 5x minus 3y which is equal to 24 which is equal to 24. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು equation 1 as well as equation 2 ಅಂತ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. So you can denote. Okay, so ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ here 3x plus 5y which is equal to -6. so ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 5x minus 3y which is equal to 24. so best way ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so multiply with what, again multiply with these things. so we are going to be solved in the equation number 1 we are going to multiply with the 3x. so multiply with the 3x, so in the denominator, or in the equation number 2 we are going to multiply with the 5. 5 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ 3x ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತದಾ, ಆರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ 3x. ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ that's going to be 15 5. okay, we are going to multiply 5, here we are going to multiply 3. so that's going to be 15x plus 25y is equal to minus 30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, so 15x so minus 9y is equal to 24 3, so that's going to be 72. okay, 72. so negative ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, that's going to be plus minus. so 15x cancel, so 25y plus 9y, that's going to be 34y. so which is equal to 90. 72 102 minus 102. so then the value of y is equal to, then the value of y which is equal to minus 3. okay, minus 3 ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, 102 divided by 34. so it's going to be 34 17. okay, 17 here 50 51, 17 3 is 51. okay, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ minus 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. suppose I am going to substitute this minus 3 here in one of the equation, then equation number 1 reduces to 3x plus 5 into minus 3, that's going to be minus 6, that's going to be 3x minus 15 is equal to minus 6, that's going to be 3x is equal to 15 minus 6. so 3x which is equal to 9, then x is equal to 3. x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. okay, so one of the major problems we come across with the find the value of x and y. so in this video we have mainly discussed about the complex number, of the modulus of a complex number as well as the conjugate of a complex number, and problems related on those topics. so thank you for watching this video. Thank you.